Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges commitment to biodiversity conservation on World Wildlife Day. Union Home Minister and Corporation Minister Amit Shah to inaugurate workshop on sustainability, circularity in dairy sector. Women entrepreneurs account for 8% of sellers on GEM, fulfilling orders worth 46,000 crore. Union Home Minister and Corporation Minister Amit Shah vows to intensify crackdown on drug traffickers to build drug-free India. Central Warehousing Corporation CWC boosting supply chains, ensuring food security, Union Minister Prahlad Joshi.